Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if there's a little bit of wind noise. I moved to this side of the building to hopefully cut down on it, but today we have a 2024 W990 flat top. And when I say flat top, I mean like razor flat. This is one of those deals where the customer kind of wanted to think outside the box. So he kind of wanted to explore the whole 990 thing. This one does have air ride suspension in the front and the rear. This 990 is in smoked pepper gray, as you can see over here in the shade. It looks like a whole different color. Like I said, it is a true flat top. It is actually a low pro flat top roof because of that real sleek flat top look. Small bunk we'll get in here in just a minute. It is on tall 24.5s. I know this truck is going to get a lot of customization soon, and we will do a follow-up video within the next year. But as you can tell, for a 990, it's a good look. Now I will say, with the 990s, I haven't done a whole lot of them, but I can tell you for the cab space in the traditional 900, and I will, if you go back to one of my short videos, I have a 900 right next to this one. The cab difference is huge, and I mean huge in a good way. The 990 cab is huge because it is the same cab as a T880, a T680, and let me tell you, same dash, everything, but you get that big 990 grill, and the 990 grill is a lot bigger than a W9. I know I'm gonna get a lot of haters in the comments for that one right there, but it's true. This grill is just as long and tall. It might not be like dimensionally long and tall, but I'm telling you, this thing makes a statement coming down at you. And driving this truck, this is probably the smoothest truck I've driven in quite some time. This one is equipped with a Cummins with an 18-speed. One thing you guys can do to help the channel out is hit that subscribe button. It's right down there. It's free, okay? I mean, like, completely free. If you want to keep track on Kenworth stuff, what I do in my free time, which we haven't been really filming that, but we're going to get back to that, guys, don't worry. Race car stuff, truck builds, stuff like that. Now let's jump into the interior. You see the diamond VIT interior with the stitching. Kenworth Guys videos has the name of that wood. I really don't know off the top of my head. But you can just tell kind of in the shadow, the grayness of that gray, his smoked pepper color. And we have tan carpet. Black seats. Coming on through here. And I know guys, it has the digital dash. Driver's seat is the same. Small bunk. I'm 6'4", and the air ride seat, I still got a lot of headspace. Here, I'll put this air ride seat all the way up. So this is the air ride seat maxed out, and I still have a full hand, and I'm 6'4". But let's face it, who drives with the seat aired all the way up? So you deflate that thing, and let me tell you, I got a lot of room. I mean, a lot of room laid out. But want a little bit of air in the seat. Right there's a good cushion spot. Still got a lot of headroom, a lot of balancing. So we're going to zoom in here on the dash. You got the gauge cluster. You can customize it to whatever you want. This is just the general layout with all the gauges. Go over here. You got your Nav Plus. You got more digital gauges. Of course, you know, this dash layout should look real common because it is pretty common. They share the same dash. You come on here to the back, it is a low top, but there's plenty of room back there. You got side windows, back windows. You have the TV mount there. I mean, it's nice and tight. I'm not going to crawl back there, but I have already crawled back there. I mean, you could definitely take a nap in this thing. Now you guys know, or some of you guys know, I am 6'4". I'm not a short guy. Like I said, I fit in this truck with no problem. It's flat, it looks good. It does have the upgraded stereo in it with the 2 speakers on the back wall. You got your speakers in the door. You got your tweeters up here. And reach back here, hit the bunk up, and you got a 10-inch sub right there. So this thing does bump and pop. This truck is also equipped with an S-bar heater. Keep you nice and warm if you do decide to take a nap in the winter. But hope you guys enjoy this drone montage that's coming up next. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Consider subscribing. It's free. It's over there, like I said before. More videos coming up. Definitely a lot more Kenworth content, a lot more GM content, a little bit of Ford content. Not really my thing, but I got some buddies that have Fords. So thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next one.